Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your gift card to Sephora. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to head on over to Sephora. I'm in Australia, so I'm going to use the .com.au. All the sites are the same depending where you're from. So I'm over here. Now I'm going to sign into Sephora, so I'm going to use my Google account. Yeah, so make sure to sign in. And then from here, I'm going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on this lip sealing mask. I'm going to add this to my cart or to my bag. So once it loads, I'm going to click on add to bag. And now I need to go and click on view bag, because basically we need to get to the checkout section to add the gift card. Alright, so I'm over at my cart. If you've got a promo code, you can jot it in there as well. Now I'm going to click on secure checkout. I'm going to continue as a guest because of whatever reason it didn't allow me to sign in with my Google account. So I'm just going to put in my email address, click continue. Then from here we need to put in a delivery address or click and collect or collection point. So I'm just going to click on click and collect. I'm just going to put in my postcode for my city, so Adelaide. Alright, I'm going to click this one here, save and continue. Now I'm going to put in your full name, etc. So put that in like that. Click on save and continue. And now we've got a gift option. So if you want to add in a gift option, you can. And also payment method. So now this is where we can add in the Sephora gift card. So go ahead and choose Sephora gift card at the bottom. Go ahead and put in your gift card number, your security pin, and then click on save and continue. And if your gift card amounts to the full amount, so you just use the money on your gift card to pay for it, or if you got or if it doesn't cover the full cost, you can pay the remainder using your credit card or debit card, PayPal, etc.